Or do you have to go to sleep? Stop laughing. What is wrong with you? Is something funny? Why are you so... What is so funny?
I don't know.
You don't know? You know what this was called?
Watch me.
This is called the...
Watch me.
Okay. She's trying to bite my arm. She's very dangerous crocodile. She bites really hard. Watch. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. Don't adopt because your kids will be really unhappy, right? This is cool, Gaku, see? Okay. Okay, one more time. Okay, are you okay, crocodile? Take a big chunk out of my arm. Ready?
Okay.
Adoption. It calls very serious results. Stop. You know what that sounds like? It sounds like a toot. Are you tooting on me?